Hi kings and queens, welcome to my channel. My name is Natalie. In today's episode we will go through Bitcoin and Ethereum, and I will show you why I do have a trade on Bybit around 44,360. I do expect the market to pull back up to these levels and then see the bounce back down. I will also show you exactly what I see on Ethereum. We just might have the drop at the moment, but I am not selling the market when the market is creating a lower low. I need to wait for the market to create a lower high, and I'll show you exactly why. Remember, I'm no financial advisor. You need to look up everything yourself first, but please continue looking at this video and I'll show you exactly why I do have my sell limit order on Bybit on Bitcoin, and I will show you exactly what I see on Ethereum. Looking at Bitcoin on the 4-hourly charts, overall picture, we do expect the market to potentially come back down to the higher time frames Fibonacci levels where a higher low can be created, and that is around 42,600 and potentially 41,400 or 500. But before we're reaching these levels, the market is in a downtrend right now, so what we are waiting for the market to do is to create a lower high, and we can see the lower high being created with another Fibonacci around 44,200 and 44,440. So from these levels you can see exactly how the Fibonacci targets is combined with the higher time frames Fibonacci 50 and 61%. So market can come up to these Fibonacci levels, create a lower high, and the next lower low can be where the next higher low can be created on the higher time frames. If we're going to the Bybit chart, you can see that I did have a sell limit order around 44,373. The market almost came up to that level and retested it, but we are heading back down now to the targets. But I wouldn't be surprised, having some more patience, we can actually see the market pull back up one more time and then see the market activate my trade, and then the take profit that I do have is around 40,600, around 41k. So on Bybit, I am in a sell. I do have a sell limit order for the market to come up and activate it, and and then I see my target potentially getting hit. Don't forget that you can receive a bonus on Bybit up to $4,100 by using the link in the description down below the video. By doing that, you are always supporting me and Bitcoinsensus, so I am always available for you and tell you what I see on the charts. If we're looking at Ethereum and what's happening, so yesterday's live stream I did talk about that we potentially could come up to 3,290 and see a potential retest. This did actually happen, and we are right now heading back down to, so the three targets that I do have is 3,120, it is 3,020, and the last target that I do have is 2,880, because just as I did talk about when it comes to Ethereum, Bitcoin, is that I do expect the market to potentially come back down to these Fibonacci levels where we then can see the market reverse back up. But first of all, we need to see the market coming back down to these levels so we can look at and see if we see the market reacting to them and then see the push to the upside. So a little bit more patient, but just as I did talk about when it came to Bitcoin, is that we just might now see the market coming up and retest this level again, and then you see the bounce. It is the weekend, it is a Friday, so usually what happens, the market is pretty slow. If we're not see during the day that the market now actually do have the momentum to the downside, so don't be surprised if you see a huge drop today during Friday in a couple of hours, like 2 hours or so, and then when wherever we are coming to, whatever price we're coming to, around that price, with high probability you will see the market actually just consolidate, because that is what happens during the weekend. So don't be surprised if that actually happens. So right now the Ethereum trade is active. If we're going back to Bitcoin, I do wait for the market to potentially pull back up. I don't trade during the weekend, so if I see today that maybe if we're going down to the lower time frames, if I see potential sell opportunity, I'm waiting for that one. It just kind of looked pretty far away from us to actually bounce back up to 44,440 and then see the drop. This just might happen in the beginning of next week or maybe today, I don't know, but this is where I do want the market to come to for me to sell the market, and that is based on that. Even if we have the drop at the moment, we can have it pull back up and then see the drop But if that is not happening, following market structure and following what the market is doing, we can obviously go down to the 15 minutes chart. But I do want to see how the market is behaving, because at the moment we're dropping, so there's no point of me to buy the market, because obviously if I sell the market now, I'm sorry, you'll see the pullback and then the right move is happening. So right now this is a falling knife. I'm not going to do anything. I want the market to pull back up to the prices that I do expect the market then to reverse back down from. Thank you so much, guys, for looking at this video. I hope you did enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification so you know when I'm live next time, or when I do have my daily updates about cryptocurrencies. Like the video, comment below if you did enjoy it. Otherwise than that, I hope that you will have a great weekend. For Sweden.